I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to compare information from different open tabs in the Perplexity Comet web browser. Step 1. Open the Comet browser and then open any web pages in a new tab that you want to compare with each other. In this example, I want to compare 3 web pages with information and forecast associated with Amazon's stock price. Step 2. Click Assistant to open a chat window. Step 3. Start typing one of the questions you want to ask. When you get to a point where you want to reference one of the open tabs, just type the @ sign, which will bring up a list of your open tabs, and then click the tab you want to reference. Continue typing your message referencing other open tabs, and then click Enter. You'll get an answer that references all of the tabs you referenced in your question. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.